In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively print your presentations using PowerPoint 2016. Printing a presentation can seem daunting, especially with the various options available, but I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you have everything you need. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is the starting point to get to your desired presentation. Once you've launched the program, navigate to your presentation file. You can do this by browsing through your recent files or using the Open option to access presentations stored on your device or in your cloud storage. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to the backstage area of PowerPoint where all the essential operations like saving, sharing, and most importantly for today, printing are located. In the menu on the left hand side, select the Print option. This area is where all your printing tasks are managed. Now notice the drop down menu labelled Full Page Slide. Clicking on this will display a variety of print layout options designed to meet different presentation needs. From this drop down, choose Notes Pages. This setting is particularly useful if you want to print your slides alongside any accompanying notes. Notes pages are excellent for presentations that require speaker notes or handouts with additional context beyond what's displayed on the slide. After selecting your layout preference, direct your attention to the Print button. Clicking this will initiate the printing process based on the options you've selected. However, instead of sending it directly to the printer, PowerPoint will prompt you to save your file as a PDF. This is a handy way to ensure your notes and slides are preserved exactly as you want them. When prompted, type in a suitable name for your PDF file. It's a good idea to choose a name that reflects the content or purpose of the presentation for easy identification in the future. Once you've entered the file name, confirm your choice by clicking on Save. PowerPoint will now generate a PDF of your presentation with the notes, ready to print or share digitally as needed, and there you have it. You've successfully walked through the process of setting up and saving your PowerPoint presentation for printing in Note Pages format. By following these steps, you're not only prepared to print your presentation, but also have ensured your notes are well organized and accessible. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on delivering outstanding presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.